Oh Allah, accept my plea. Have mercy on me, a sinner I am, yet your love sets me free. I bow in prostration, tears in my eyes, calling your name with sorrowful sighs. The world deceived me, pulled me astray. Now I return, take my hand, show the way. Oh Allah, accept my plea. Have mercy on me, a sinner I am, yet your love sets me free. Your mercy is vast, none leaves denied. I beg you, my Lord, keep me by your side. Forgive my sins, cleanse my soul, fill my heart with faith, make me whole. These eyes are soaked in regret and pain. This heart seeks you again and again. Oh Allah, accept my plea. Have mercy on me, a sinner I am, yet your love sets me free. I bow in prostration, tears in my eyes, calling your name with sorrowful sighs. The world deceived me, pulled me astray. Now I return, take my hand, show the way. Your mercy is vast, none leaves denied. I beg you, my Lord, keep me by your side. Forgive my sins, cleanse my soul, fill my heart with faith, make me whole. These eyes are soaked in regret and pain. This heart seeks you again and again. Oh, more at the prophet's door I stand. Take me to Madinah with your blessed hand. Once I was lost, but now I see. Oh Allah, guide my heart to thee. Oh Allah, have mercy. Oh Allah, be near. Accept my repentance, wipe away my fear.